Hey guys, so today we are at Sam's Club and we're going shopping, so come with me. Alright guys, so we started because nothing like I was social anxiety or whatever because guys, we don't know where it got, but yeah, I got that. I'm showing us some things. But this is the store and everything. Like, but then I want to besides then I cleaning part. Or laundry detergent.
Beautiful girls in the world with their dance on the floor. That's that I'm and not to bend them. Me, I just want some pepper decent. Baby, tire it, now it's like roll it down, go slow down, just bring them to me down, submit down, no teasing. If you don't mind when you see them, give me that. Jump up on my body like animal, dance make you feel like carnival. I go lock you down like criminal. Feeling like 1 million. People just they watch you like a cinema. And bandit like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like you. One chassis, the way you do fantastic. Have to put on glasses. Make you not blind me with this your body. When I see you waiting for the walk, we want to turn into the world. Make me feel like we're not ever in life.
So I'm gone and gone, yeah. We hit the club, niggas cups full of jealous. We in the back and we mugging the G.I. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the tears. Oh yeah, I'm so sad. This bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not. Bad, watch her blow up, man. She gets away. When she gets away. Said she gon' roll the sauce to the cover. She wasn't on a run, now she want on the runner. See the dark skin girl to the light skin cool. Yeah, we see you. She the light skin girl.
Been waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue, you yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. from it. I don't wanna wait. Come take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder. Talk to me, because I'm so late, I'm too excited. Oh, privacy, I gotta go away, get so excited. Can you blow my mind? Set up a whole body. I give you my time. Can you set my soul right? I don't wanna wait. Just take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up a whole body. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna wait. Come take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. Come for this.
Alright guys, I'm back home. If you have reached the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. And that was just a little mini grocery haul. Thanks for watching.
You are everything. You are